One UI 6 did not happen, guys. One UI 6 was not released several days ago, but what Samsung is doing, they are pushing what it seems now bits and pieces of the new Y6 design. Now this time there is an update to ThemePark, which is now elevated to the version 10962. And interestingly enough, there is nothing inside the changelog, just saying UI improvements, guys. Now, I've already updated it, and I directly want to show you what is the new spot here, what we believe will come from One UI 6 Android 14. Now, ThemePark is updated. How do we know? Every time you can check this in the About App, it's 101.962, guys. Now, it still looks the same, right? But when you go inside Quick Panel and you are trying to either create or modify new Quick Panel, guys, you're gonna see the slider, and the slider is absolutely different, right? The moment I touch the slider, guys, it becomes thick, right? And there is this also very nice animation. This somehow reminds me of some of the things we've seen already in the stock Android 14. This for sure is not available right now as a mass slider in the One UI 5 based on Android 13, guys. So this perhaps will be here one of the new user interface design elements from the One UI 6 based on Android 14, which we really hope is gonna come very, very soon. So I'm just going to show this one more time. All right, so here, see, the moment I touch it, guys, it becomes thicker. The moment I release my finger, animation is very nice. So there is already a lot of hope, a lot of expectations are being setting high right now. Something, if you were not able to check, see here, guys, the moment I just try to unlock my phone, I'm getting this very nice animation, okay, this time with the blur. This is now from the Wonderland. They have released also an update allowing you to use certain effects like this, like CRT and other effects. Guys, short video today. Follow me for more news on One UI 6, Samsung, Android phones, smartphone photography, and stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. And with that said, VST over and bye.